Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a glow up tracker so that you can keep track of all the different areas that you want to have your glow up in. So for example, nutrition, mindset, teeth, nails, and you also have a place where you can add all of your glow up essentials. You'll be able to see them all or by the different glow up category. And then here at the top, you'll also be able to see a list of all of the items that you need to buy. This exact same template is linked down below in my Etsy store, or if you want to build it along with me, then let's go ahead and get started. Let's start on a blank new page, and I'm just going to title this Glow Up Tracker. We can also add an icon. And I'm going to go over here to the three dots and make it full width. We're going to begin by adding a gallery view so that we have different sections for all of our glow up areas. So I am going to do / gallery view, and I'll just give this a title here. And then you can hide the title right here in the three dots. And this is where you can start adding the different areas that you want to focus on for your glow up. And once you open up the page, you can delete this created in tags section. We won't need them. So I'm going to add some examples that you can use in yours. So I went ahead and added some different areas for Glow Up Tracker. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and add covers for all of them. And right now the default setting for the gallery view is to show the page content. So I'm going to go to the three dots right here, select layout, and then where it says card preview, I'm going to change it to page cover. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add a cover for all of them so that it looks much nicer. And you can just click on the page and then go to add cover. And then here in change cover, you can either upload something or use something from Unsplash. I'll go ahead and add mine right now. Okay, so I went ahead and added covers for all of my different sections. Now here's where you can decide how you want to improve the different areas in your life. What I did was, with the help of ChatGPT, I had it make me a daily, weekly, and just healthy lifestyle of what it can do to keep up with each of these different areas. So for example, I'll show you the one for health. So it gave me a daily of what I can do, a weekly, a healthy lifestyle, and then some tips. So I went ahead and did this for each one of the different sections because I didn't want to do it as a habit tracker because there may be times where I'm mostly focusing on one area, because for me it would be a bit hard to have a glow up in all of the different areas all at once. So maybe I can focus on one and then on another one. And that's why I didn't break it up into a habit tracker for each one of these. But you can totally do that or integrate a habit tracker. Now, I also want to create another section where I have all of my glow up essentials. So I like to keep track of the products that I've used that I really like, maybe for hair or something for nails. So we're going to create kind of like an inventory of all of the products that have helped you or that you want to use for your glow up. So right here at the bottom, I'm going to add a call out header. So / call out, and this will be my glow up essentials. And so now we're going to create a database. So I'm going to do / database inline. And this is going to be a new database. We'll give this a title. And then right here in the three dots, we can just hide that. So we'll leave the name property as it is. Let's also go ahead and add a price. So I'm going to click right here on the plus sign and then select number. And here for the number format, I'm going to change it to US dollar. And then I'll just rename it to price. And you can also change the icon here as well. I'm going to add a property where you can add a link to the product in case you buy it online. So let's go ahead and click the plus sign. And then I'm just going to select URL. I'll leave the name as it is. And now we're going to add a relation property so that we can relate this table to our glow up areas. So let's go ahead and select the plus sign again, select relation, and let's select the one that we just created, glow up tracker, and we can select the two-way relation. You can also change the name. I'm going to change it to glow up area, and now we can add the relation and also change the icon right here. There we go. And then lastly, I'm going to add a checkbox property so that we can check it on or off if we have the product or not. So again, plus sign, and let's do checkbox. And I'm going to rename it to in stock. I'm going to add an example so that we can see how the database works. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this into a gallery view as well. You can leave it as a table view, but I think it looks better as a gallery view. So I'll go to the three dots right here, select layout, and then select gallery. Now for the card preview, I'm going to change it to the page cover. So if we go to the three dots again, select layout, and then card preview can be the page cover. You can also set it to none so that you don't have to add images for all of the different products, and that'll work just fine. Now let's go back to the properties and make some of those properties visible. I'm actually going to select show all of them and just rearrange them. Have the name, the URL, the price, the glow up area, and the checkbox. Perfect. So let me just add the image of the rosemary oil. So if you do decide to add images, as you can see mine, it shows the entire image up close. And so what we can do to change that so that we can see all of the little bottle, we can go here to the three dots to layout once more, and then we can just select fit image, and there we go. You don't want to see this little icon every time you add a new project, then we can turn that off. So again, let's go back to those three dots, and in layout, turn off this show page icon. There we go. I'm going to rename this section to all so that I can see all of my products here. And then I'm going to add another section where I can see them by category. So if I start accumulating products, I can find them easier. So I'm just going to click here and select duplicate. Now this, I'm going to rename it to by category. And the layout, I'm going to change it from gallery to board, and just make sure that it says group by glow up area. And same thing for here, you can change the card preview to the page cover, have it fit the image, and then also show the other properties. Let me rearrange them. There we go. And so as you start adding more products in the different areas, you'll be able to see them by category in this section. Another thing that I want to add is a place where I can see a list of the products that I need to buy. So in case I don't have this in stock, I just want to be able to see a list of the ones that I need to buy. So let's go ahead and create that. So right here at the bottom, I'm going to click right here on the six dots and then select copy link. And I'm going to paste it here below as a linked database view. Now I'm going to change the view from gallery to a list. So let's go to the three dots, select layout, and then select list. And for the properties, I just want to have the checkbox visible, okay? And we're going to add a filter so that it only shows me the ones that are not checked off. So let's go right here to filter, select the in stock checkbox property, and then let's select unchecked. So since this one isn't checked off, then it is showing up. I'm going to move this list up to the top. So I'm just going to click on the six dots and drag it. I'm going to place it next to my gallery view, and then I can resize it. And now I'm going to add a call out box so that I can add a little heading for my items that I need to buy. So / call out, and I'll just put need to buy. And I'll just place it right here at the top. And here where it says all, I'm going to rename. And I'm just going to delete that and hit the space bar so that I only have the icon showing. And so you'll have your list of products that you need to buy right here. And once you have them in stock, then they will disappear from this list. And that's it for this video. I hope that it's useful for you in your glow up journey. Make sure to like and subscribe.